Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can just fix your problem in incoming call is if incoming call is not showing in your Realme device or notification is not showing, call uh, showing but not answer, you can't answer your call. How you can fix in Realme devices. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it first and like our video for more videos. This is a phone app, you can see friends. Here it is a phone app. You have to just go to the settings, or you can just simply press here and you can see I button. Just click on it. It will definitely automatically opens phone's settings. Here you have do nothing, just go to storage usage and clear cache. Also you can, if you have no data in your phone, you can definitely go for clear data also. It will clear all your data, and if it is not still working, then simply just power off and then you have to just restart your phone. It will definitely work on your Realme device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video for more videos. Thanks for watching.